is have an ERP for your ERP. And so what that means
Yeah.
is you get all these, you get this, you get all these people signed up and you're like, man, Thom, we've got 10 million square feet of property that when something happens, it's on. Well, make sure that it's not a widespread event that's happening in your backyard. Um, and I had some clients up in the Panhandle that Hurricane Michael came along, and they were like, Thom, man, we got 10 million square feet. When this happens, man, this is gold. And they didn't have they didn't have a backup plan. So the storm came through, dropped trees on their homes. So they had to take care of their homes first before they could get to their clients. And by the time they got to their clients, the people on the outside that were waiting to come in were already on their jobs. And so they didn't have that backup plan. So they had some backup plans waiting in the wings. So hey, if we can't get to these, you guys get to these jobs, handle them for us. Make sure you have a backup plan for that major event that may be happening. If you're out in California, it might be an earthquake, because you have to also think outside of the box. Like, oh, all right, so we sign up all these ERPs. Can we service them when the time comes? Can we service them on an individual basis? Probably not a problem. They call us up on the weekend. We got in, we had a fire, we had a flood, whatever it may be. But if there's a widespread event where
Hmm.
it's a catastrophe, it might be very difficult to get to all of those people. So we want to make sure that we have a backup plan for our ERP so that we're